What's going on, guys? I'm Nick the Tutor, and this channel is dedicated to improving your SAT, ACT, AP scores, and your college outcomes. Today, we have an awesome college admissions related video. We're gonna talk about the secrets that colleges don't want you to know when you're applying in 2021. Now, what I want you guys to understand is this video is gonna go over some really powerful and not well-known strategies that you can use to improve not only your outcome for your college applications, but also your financial outcome. Now, let's get into it. I know this first one is going to be very, very shocking, and I can tell you from personal experience, I use this myself, so I know it works. First strategy, guys, you can negotiate the price of college. Now, that sounds crazy, but just like any other business, you can go in and try to negotiate the price of something. Now, look, a lot of places won't negotiate, right? If you go into McDonald's and there's a hamburger, McDonald's is not going to negotiate a price because McDonald's is a large company with a big infrastructure. But if you go into, maybe some kind of smaller place, like say you go into a thrift store and you see a really cool, vintage painting, you could probably negotiate the price of that because that is a private company and it's a smaller company. Same thing applies to college. A lot of colleges do have some leeway to negotiate, especially private colleges. They tend to negotiate better than state schools, of course. But the key fact is you have to ask, and you can receive scholarship money simply for asking. Now, let's just talk about what this means. The price of college is extremely high, right? You all know this. So there is some leeway to reduce that price, and a lot of colleges have a lot of money, right? Because a lot of students are paying full price, but a large majority of them also are not paying full price. So let's just throw out a scenario, right? You're accepted to College A, and College A is the 95th ranked college in the country, and College A gives you a full scholarship. You have a very high SAT score, you have great grades. You apply to College B. College B is the 45th ranked college in the country. They offer you nothing, right? College B is close in proximity to College A. Let's say both of them are in Boston or New York or whatever, California. You now have a bargaining position, right? Because College B wants you to attend. College A is giving you a full scholarship. So what I would do is I would take my scholarship offer and I would contact College B and I would say, look, College B, college is really expensive, man. Times are hard. Coronavirus, is difficult on my family, and, business-wise it's been bad for us, and I just don't want to pay full price for college because it's just a lot of money and I don't want to put myself in that kind of position. They'll say, oh, okay, what do you want? I would say, well, College A is offering me a full scholarship. So if you guys could do anything to, sweeten the pot, help me out a little bit, it would be greatly appreciated. Obviously, you have no obligation, but it would really help my decision in favor of College B because I would be financially able to afford it. And let's probably say, okay, hold on, or we'll get back to you. Now, they might free up $5,000, $10,000 for you because they want you to attend. They want you to pay the rest of the amount, of course. And also, if you're a desirable student that has a full scholarship to another school, you are kind of in a desirable position and they may want to work with you. So yes, it does work. The thing is, 1, you have to be polite. 2, you have to be respectful. And 3, you have to calculate your moves. You can't just go demanding for more money. You have to have offers and you have to be accepted and you have to think about your approach and just be honest with them. Look, this is tough. This is tough for me to afford. This is a lot of money. I really could attend your school if I was given a certain amount, but right now I can't. I don't think that's unreasonable. It's a little bit of a scary concept, because the power that these people hold. But at the end of the day, look, money is money and life is life. If you need the help, you need the help and you deserve it. So that is crazy tip number 1. You can negotiate the price of college. All right, number 2, a lot of students overlook this and they look at AP exams simply as like a harder course or a way to boost their college application. But AP exams are a way to also knock down the cost of college. If you take enough AP exams, I've seen students go into college with basically nearly a year's worth of college credits and then enable themselves to graduate a year early, if of course they want to, from college. So that is huge. I would personally be taking, if I was able to go back in time, I would be taking the AP exams, not for the grades, not for college applications, but for the purposes of reducing the cost of college and reducing the number of classes that I have to take in college, saving myself time. So a lot of students just look at the now, but the later of AP exams is that you're able to actually help yourself down the road. All right, third point, guys. There are things such as guaranteed transfer programs programs for college. Now, let's say you get deferred or you don't get accepted, you get rejected from one of your dream schools. You could ask them for a guaranteed transfer, and you could say, they may say to you, look, if you maintain a 3.8 GPA in your first year of college at X university, we will guarantee your acceptance. We think you're borderline of what we're looking for. We know that you're the kind of person that we want, but we don't see your grades really in line with our school. So we'll give you a chance to prove yourself. Your grades are on the up. If you do really well in college, we will accept your application. So I would say look out for those. And even if you need to ask for it, if you are that set on your dream school, that could be a great way to backdoor your way in to a difficult school that you were unable to get into. All right, point number 4. One of the strategies that colleges use is the wait list. And you're probably wondering to yourself, well, what does that mean for me if I'm waitlisted? You know, am I doomed or can I get in? Well, let me answer the question for you. You can get in. And what colleges are doing, a lot of them do, is create a giant wait list and see who follows up. Because the students that are following up are also the students that are likely to attend the school if they are accepted because they really want to go. They want you to prove your interest in the school. So understand that if you are waitlisted, the thing you need to do is immediately follow up a set number of times whenever you can, periodically, without, of course, being crazy annoying, but follow up, and then you may be removed from the wait list. You may only be on the wait list because they want you to prove how badly you want to go there. You may not be on the wait list because they think you're a bad student or because your scores are low or whatever the case may be. So just understand, colleges don't want you to know that that is one of their strategies. They want students to give up when they're on the wait list so they know who's interested and who isn't. So make sure you are on the interested side. Number 5, kind of a sad one. It can matter who your parents are when you apply to college. Trust me, alumni relationships, the children of alumni really have an advantage when applying to those schools. Not only that, they will look at your parents and their occupation and their income level to decide whether or not, they may want to accept you. As sad as that is and as controversial as that is, it's part of the process. Let me know about down below, guys. Do you think that's fair or do you think it's not fair? I would love to hear what you have to say, so shoot me a comment, drop a like on this video, but at the end of the day, who your parents are greatly matters. Look, if your parent is famous, your outcomes are going to be better than someone who is regular like myself, right? Whether that's right or wrong, I want to hear from you guys below, but that is a fact that they don't want you to know. All right, number 6, guys, things colleges don't want you to know. They actually want you to rein in your extracurricular activities. I've said this many times on TikTok, guys, and we're going to hear it again on YouTube. Being well-rounded is not actually good for college applications. I'm going to say that again. Being well-rounded is not actually going to help you become successful on college applications. The better thing is to be super dedicated and super invested in 1 or 2 activities where you can show expertise, you can show accomplishment, and you can show longevity of interest where they know you're committed to what you want to do and you're committed to achieving your goals. That is what helps you on college applications. And they don't want you to know that, right? Because that's the secret. The secret is commitment, time, energy. Number 7, this one I guess is kind of a funny one. I'll leave you guys with this. You don't want to have a silly email address. Colleges don't want to see cute baby girl or Mr. Strongman or, Killer Mike 47. Like, you don't want to have some ridiculous email address when you're applying to college. Make firstname.lastname@gmail.com or something like that so you can look professional. Colleges are monitoring your social media. They can look at your TikToks, they can look at your Instagram, they can look at your email address, and they can say, is this person mature enough, right? So you gotta make sure you represent the maturity necessary for college. Of course, look, we're all here to have fun. That's what this channel's about. But at the end of the day, when you're applying to college, it is a business and it's a business decision for them. So you need to show a level of professionalism in many aspects of your life. Look, guys, comment down below. Let me know if what I'm saying makes sense or if I'm bugging. I really appreciate hearing you guys. I love when we get the conversation going. Once again, guys, follow me on Twitch. I'm streaming every Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Check out my social media channels. And once again, thank you for watching this video. Peace.